Good afternoon, everyone. We are out here at 1315 Dexter Avenue in Pensacola, Florida. This is going to be in the 32507 zip code, and you are just off Barrancas and the front gate of NAS Pensacola. So let's take you guys inside today. I'm going to show you 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom today. And this is just over 800 square feet, so 816 to be exact. And when our current sellers bought this cute cottage, it was already renovated. So as you can see, many of the appliances, the paint, the appliques are quite up to date. So let's take you guys through. So immediately upon entry, you can see we are welcomed into the living room. And just off the living room to our right is going to be your kitchen area. So we have a lot to offer here. As you can see, a smooth electric surface topped oven and stove, your built-in microwave, which doubles as your vent hood, of course. You can see you've got the black applique. Black and white is super classy these days. People are loving it. Here we are with your undermount sink here, large farm sink, so it's not a split in the middle, as well as ample counter space. Those are going to be granite countertops as well. There's going to be your fridge and freezer there. And then just on the opposite side, we've got a brand new LG washer and dryer stack. So I truly believe that they have absolutely maximized their space in here for versatility. I mean, you've got everything you could want in a smaller home right here at your fingertips. So coming through the living room, you can see we have these gorgeous double frosted doors. So you do get some privacy here. Excuse me, those are just, yep, that's a paint there. So not frosted, just a paint, but still you get those nice French doors there. And then here we are into our first bedroom of the unit. You are going to have split closets on either side of those French doors there. And then you've got 3 windows encompassing around the bedroom. So a backyard view, a side view, and a front yard view. Wonderful. Again, there are those 2 closets. Those are going to be a single pull door. Okay. And then let's go ahead and show you guys the other 2 bedrooms. So here we are. This one is being utilized as a bunk room. As you can see, you do get backyard views and you get a very spacious double door closet here. So pretty decent depth in that closet. And you can absolutely make this into an office. You can keep it maximized as 3 bedrooms if you'd like, if you're looking for an investment property or to continue short-term rentals. But here we are into our 1 full bathroom in this home. So beautiful, you guys. I love the black appliques. I really think it makes the white pop. You've got some gorgeous flooring in here as well. And the details on the vanity are just stunning. So they really did think about everything here and to just elevate the space. Love it. And continuing into our final bedroom, side yard and backyard views here. This one is gonna more mirror the second bedroom that we saw with those double closet doors here. And those 2 windows looking to the backyard. Ceiling fans in every room here, bar the kitchen, I do believe. Yes, bar the kitchen, ceiling fans in every room. Even from the lighting, you can see is just everything has such nice, thoughtful detail behind it all. But again, this is 1315 Dexter Avenue in Pensacola, Florida. We are in the 32507 zip code, so you're right next to NAS Pensacola. You're about 10 minutes from downtown, if that. I'd say 10 minutes on a busy traffic day. So we would absolutely love for you guys to come check this one out.